with honors.
It was my pleasure to announce to you the awardees from Grade 9 ICT under the Special Program for Information and Communication Technology. Lupir Mervin J.S. with high honors. Cabantin Francis Mark Louis S. with high honors. De La Cruz Princess L. with high honors. Conijos Z. Nathan F. with high honors, who will also receive a certificate for being a Senior Scout of the Year. Abegoza Jasmine Princess Z with honors. Barbosa Christine Angel C with honors. Bartolome Yuri Isabel T with honors.
Maridan E. with honors. O'Neil Summer Adrian P. with honors. Rokuko Cristame E. and Robert E. with honors. They will also receive another certificate for being the Senior Scout of the Year. Sullivan Aliyah Joy P. with honors. Tosok John Joseph R. with honors. Tumol Micaela Gwen D. with honors. Another certificate of recognition will be given to her as a bronze medalist during the Provincial Meet Taekwondo Competition Pomsei Individual Category. Watson Aliyah Gabriel C. with honors.
It was my pleasure to announce to you the awardees from Grade 8 ICT.